So you're about to have a tile shower installed. A crucial part of that installation is waterproofing. Today I want to talk about how not all waterproofing is the same. If it is done improperly, your new shower can eventually be hiding something bad behind the tiles. There are a variety of products to waterproof a shower. Products like RedGuard and HydroBand are roll-on type materials where you apply them like paint with a brush and roller, typically over cement board, which is messy and heavy to install as it is. These products require several coats, they take time in between coats, and they need to be applied with a specific thickness in total for all the coats applied. In this picture, I used one of these types of products. Even though I followed the directions, the product would peel out during a flood test. A flood test should always be done on a new shower to test the waterproofing in the shower pan. I ended up grinding it all off and using a different type of waterproofing altogether. Because of this, I found the roll-on products to be more hassle than they're worth because they are finicky and can be more problematic than the other types of waterproofing. The roll-on products need to be the perfect thickness, not too thin, not too thick. Otherwise, the shower will eventually fail and you will end up with some type of leak somewhere. A leaky shower will result in structural damage. The wood will rot, you'll get mold, you'll get mildew, and you will most likely develop some health condition because of the mold and mildew. Because I don't trust the roll-on products, I like to use the other options for waterproofing. There are products that come in panels or on a sheet membrane in a roll like wrapping paper. These products are 100% waterproof already, and only the seams and screws and any other penetrations need to be sealed. Each particular product line has its recommended way to do that depending on what you're using. These are easier to cut, they're lighter than cement board, and the process is tidier. Also, there's no guesswork if it's good enough like with the roll-on products. With these, it's everything is covered and the penetrations and seams are sealed or they're not. I hope this video was helpful for you in saving you some time and money from choosing the wrong waterproofing process.